Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Diamond. And if you don't know me, my name is Diamond. I'm here to help you lose weight, okay? I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm going to be sharing with you, so stay tuned. So, how I lost over 60 pounds. Very simple, very easy. Let me get into it. So the first thing that I did was I kept my carbs and sugar low, okay? This is extremely important if you want to lose weight in 2025 and if you want to lose significant amounts of weight the easiest and seamless way possible. So you want to keep your carbs and your sugar low. Why do you want to keep your carbs and sugar low? Because carbs and sugar are what make you the most hungry, that spike your insulin, keep you fat, and make it harder to lose weight. So what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone that rises when your blood sugar rises. So when your blood sugar rises, your insulin also rises in order to bring your blood sugar back down to a sustained level, to a stable level, right? So insulin's job is to bring down your blood sugar. Now, what do carbs and sugar do? Carbs and sugar bring up your blood sugar, right? Because if you eat sugar and carbs end up turning into sugar in your body anyway. So if you eat those foods, they're spiking your blood sugar and your insulin has to go up in order to bring your blood sugar back down, okay? And when your insulin is high, that means that you can't be in a state of fat burning. You want your body to be in a state of fat burning. In order to do that, you have to keep your insulin low. How do you keep your insulin low? By keeping your blood sugar low. How do you keep your blood sugar low? You don't eat sugar, right? You don't eat carbs either, because carbs and sugar, two sides of the same coin, same thing, okay? So I ate a low carb and low sugar diet. That is number one. And that is the most pivotal point, because if you eat a low carb and low sugar diet, it's going to be much easier to go longer without eating, and it's going to bring me into step 2. Now, before we get into step 2, for those of you that are serious about your weight loss journey, for those of you that really want to lose weight in 2025, that have significant amounts of weight and need a step-by-step guide that is going to help you lose the weight, I have an ebook available. It is a how to lose weight step-by-step ebook. It has all the information that I wish I knew before I started my weight loss journey. I'm someone that suffered with my weight since I was 5 years old. I suffered from obesity since the age of 5. So this is the information that I wish I knew before I finally lost the weight for good. It has every single thing that you need is in that book, okay? So go get it, because it's very thorough. It has over 65 pages of extremely thoroughly researched information, over a year of my own personal research, trial and error that has helped me lose over 60 pounds and has helped countless others do the same. If you want more information on how to tap into fat burning and use your body fat as a source of fuel, link down below, get my ebook. It will have all the information that you need. Now, step 2, how I lost over 60 pounds in less than a year. Step 2 is fasting, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is incredibly important. And that is why it's important to keep your carbs and your sugar low, because carbs and sugar are what make you more hungry. So if you keep the carbs and sugar low, you won't be as hungry, and it'll be easier for you to go longer without eating, i.e. fasting. You want to be fasting, okay? Fasting is extremely important for weight loss because it helps your body reset. Your body needs a significant amount of time without digesting food in order to, regenerate your cells. There's a lot of benefits that go into fasting. So it's extremely important, especially for weight loss. Obviously, if you're fasting, you're not eating as much, you're tapping into a state of fat burning, okay? Now, step 3, how you're going to lose weight and how I was able to lose over 60 pounds is walking. Walking is extremely underrated. I think walking is like one of the most underrated forms of exercise. It's the easiest form of exercise to do because you walk, pretty much every day, and it doesn't make you run out of breath. It's not like something that really makes you super tired unless you're like super overweight, which, walking is still good for anybody. Walking is extremely good for you. It's a form of cardio that is not too high impact. It's not a whole lot of commitment. I would recommend walking about, 30 minutes to an hour a day. You can do it on a treadmill. You can do it outside. You can go to the park. You can just go for a stroll down the sidewalk, whatever you want to do. but definitely you need to be walking, 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 walking. So to conclude, you guys, the 3 steps are: you want to be eating low sugar and low carb, you want to be intermittent fasting, and you want to be walking or doing some form of cardio, exercise, etc. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. There are 3 tips on how I was able to lose over 60 pounds and how you can do the same. Once again, the link is down below for my ebook. It has all the information that you will ever need on how to lose weight. Extremely thorough. It's 65 pages and it has everything that I wish I knew before I started my weight loss journey. So that concludes my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.